Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. I thought I should make some special vegetarian starter to enjoy in this monsoon season that is equally loved by both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. And the one that came to my mind was the cauliflower 65 or the gobi 65. So guys, do watch the video fully to know the secret tips and tricks. To make it, I have kept some water for boiling in a non-stick pan. Also, to the water, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it come to a boil. Now, to the boiling water, I will add in 200 gram of cauliflower that is cut into pieces. I will give it a stir and cook it on a low flame for just 3 minutes. So here is my first and very important tip, guys. That is, you should blanch the cauliflower like this only for 3 minutes and not more than that. This ensures that the cauliflower is half cooked and at the same time it will be crispy while frying. Now, I will switch off the stove and take the cauliflower from the water. Guys, next what I am going to do is, to a mixing bowl, I will add 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour or the maida, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon semolina or the rava, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon asafoetida powder, quarter teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 3/4 teaspoon salt and juice of half lemon. Let's mix all these well. Also, if you have, you can add a drop of red food color and mix everything. You can skip it if you don't want to use it. It is completely optional. I have added a drop of magic red food color gel which I regularly use while making cakes. Now, to this I will add the cauliflower and mix it well. Then, let's add the water little by little until it makes a thick and smooth batter. This is now perfect. So guys, I'm gonna close it with a lid and allow it to marinate for 20 minutes. Here is my tip number 2. That is, you have to marinate the cauliflower so that it absorbs the flavors of the ingredients that we have added. After that, let's heat up the oil for frying the cauliflower. Once the oil becomes hot, I will add in the cauliflower pieces one by one. Let's fry them on a medium flame until the bubbling of the oil reduces and the cauliflower turns firm and crispy. Similarly, let's fry the remaining cauliflower as well. Finally, I will garnish it with some fried green chilies and curry leaves. There you go, an absolutely delicious, crispy and crunchy restaurant style cauliflower 65 or the gobi 65 is ready to be served. Do try the recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. Also, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share your suggestions, doubts, questions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.